Sana all sweat. 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 Corny, tama na.
Mga super okay. Yui, talaga para mage to.
Ang bag ni Daniela ay... Ay, okay.
Wala kayo pala yun. Parang yun yung, ay, nasigan niya na kami.
Wait lang, Ben. Ang gagawin ko ngayong araw ay magpa-practice ng PE tsaka gagawa ng financial report para sa YEAA for the month of October.
Ang ganda talaga ni Yui.
Diyan ka mag-makeup. 1, 2, 3, go. Ang lang kailan. Ang apoy. Oh, with the black shoes. With the black shoes. Kainis. Hey. Okay, practice tayo. Good day, everyone. Kamusta kayo lahat? Magdi-defense po kami ngayon. Magdi-defense po kami ngayon. Literal na didefensan. Literal na didefensan po namin yung message namin. Good day. Good day. Good day. Ang Australian. Good day. Basta ako, alam ko lahat nagawa ko. Nagawa ko yung mga kailangan ko magawa. Okay. Today, everyone, today we'll be considering English learning titled Evaluating the Influence of Social Endorsement on Sustainable Development. The study of purchase intentions to create the labor students at Palawan National School. We'll begin with the introduction. Our research study focuses on racial influence at Palawan National School and how social media endorsements and how social media endorsements influence the... Wait lang, bahalo-halo na siya sa isip. Wala ba kayo isip mamaya? Dahil wala. Sa'yo yung effort mo mag-memorize ka doon. Sabi ko yung memorize ko doon. Para masaya. Para magsisi. Para mag-usip. Anyway, our research study focuses on grade 12 APM students at Palawan National School and how social media endorsements can affect the decisions of... Hindi, parang mali. And how social media endorsements can influence... I literally forgot. Wait a minute. I'll go back to you.